Hello. Here's a really simple way of using some of the Amscan decorative products to enhance what is really a very basic design. We're using the paper fans and latex clusters. We can create some really interesting designs. So first of all, at Amscan we've got like a huge range of these paper fans in different styles, many colours. Some of them are in the decorating kits, but there's lots and lots and lots to choose from. And once you use them, you see how simple they are to put into an everyday design and create something really quite special. Lots of different alternatives here. So I'll just talk you through how it's done. First of all, you're going to need a pack of fans, and you're going to need 3 clusters of latex balloons. These are Sempertex fashion tones. This is fashion tone red, royal blue and lime green. And then you're going to need a foil balloon or something to put on the top. This is a Satin Luxe Heart. This is a standard message balloon, but the colours pick up beautifully on here. This one is one of our clear orbs that I've taken the valve out of. Just snip the neck just above the seal, remove the valve, stuff it with an 18-inch Sempertex latex and inflate, and then you'll get your colour combinations perfectly right. This time around I'm going to use a 16-inch air-filled number. You'll need a single 5-inch balloon inflated really small and a modelling balloon. So basically take the fans out of the packet, and we're going to start with the largest one, which in this case is red. We don't need the string to tie it together, and I'm also going to remove these 2 tabs here because those are not required for what we're going to do, but don't lose them from this big fan. Reason being that we need something to attach the modelling balloon into the centre of the fan to give us the tension to build the rest of it, and obviously there's nothing there to tie it to. So if you just use these paper tabs, just cut off the end piece with the hole like that. You can then make a ribbon of your 160 by squeezing all the air out from the closed end to the knot end and tying it off. That just makes it easier to use. We don't get any air bubbles trapped in it. And then poke the end of your 160 through the hole in one of those tabs and through the second one. Wrap it around a couple of times so that you've got something to tie off, and tie it. That then just gives us a small, flat and very neat stop end. So we trap the 260, the modelling balloon, the 160, in the fan when we open it, with this under the fan, and it stops it pulling through. So it's quite simple. Remove the double-sided tape from here. Open the fan out and just hook your modelling balloon into the centre of it so that it passes up through the middle of the fan there. Bring the ends together and press firmly to stick them like that. And that way we've got the little thing on the end there, so when we pull against it, it stops it pulling through the fan and it comes out the middle nice and tight there. So we sit that on the top. Little bit of tension, not too much. If you pull too hard, it will flatten out the creases in the fan. So you just need to be a little careful on the amount of pull so as not to damage it. Now we can remove these tabs. We don't need these anymore. Remove the double-sided sticky. And open the fan. And make sure that the modelling balloon goes right through the centre of it, and once again squeeze it tight. Little bit of tension. Next cluster of balloons. These are inflated to 5 inches, 4 inches and 3 inches. Nice and easy to remember. Then we need to use the smallest one. So I've chosen the lime green because there are 2 small fans in these packs. So choose which one you want. Once again, remove the tabs, remove the sticky, pull the modelling balloon up through the centre and squeeze the ends together. Okay, before we do the next step, because that would be the logical thing to do, but then it makes it a little bit difficult to attach the foil, so I'm actually going to put the cluster round the base of the foil first. Just zigzag the tail of the balloon backwards and forwards between the latex like that, so that it's nice and tight up against the base of the balloon there, and then we can attach it with the 160. And once it's nice and firmly attached, remove what you don't need, and then I'll use the final fan. Oops, excuse me. Take off the tabs. This time, little 5-inch balloon, I've tied it really tightly and I've removed the neck roll so that it doesn't get in the way. Pull that through there. Oh, take the double-sided sticky off first, it's always helpful. There we go. Pull the tail of the balloon through, pinch it up nice and tight, and then use that wherever you wish it to be. It can either sit down here, you could add it here, whatever you like. I'm going to put it there for now. And there we have it. Really simple idea, but makes a massive difference to otherwise very ordinary materials.